Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your ASUS ROG Xbox Li X is overheated. First of all, lower your power and voltage. To do this, you can either go to the Armory Crate application, select Performance, and then change it to silent mode to reduce the wattage and power limit on your CPU GPU, which will reduce the heat generation. Alternatively, you can press the Armory Crate button and set silent mode right here. Also, ensure that the device is on a hard, flat and clean surface for optimal ventilation. Your ventilation is located on the top edge of your device right here. Also, you can clear your vents regularly using soft brush and nothing metallic. Just grab some soft brush and gently clean the vents, and do this from time to time to remove the dust buildup. Also, close the background apps. To do so, open the taskbar, hold your finger down on it and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager, in the Processor section, you can sort the application by CPU usage, see which one uses the most of your CPU power, and disable them by holding your finger down on such application and selecting End Task to turn it off. Also, adjust your display settings, which you can once again do by pressing the Xbox button and go into Settings and reduce your display brightness for some time by moving the bottom slider to the left to the point where you're still comfortable with the brightness on your device. The next tip is pretty simple. Give your device breaks. Simply allow it to cool down periodically by powering down or pausing long gaming sessions. And also clean the storage of your device by going to Settings. In Settings, you have to select System, find Storage, and wait for a while. Select Cleanup Recommendations and remove all the temporary files that your device gathers here. And besides, don't forget to go to Windows Update section and check in for updates regularly. Also check for advanced options, and here go to optional updates. And for even more updates on your device, open the Armory Crate application once again. Then go to Update Center, and here enable automatic updates and check for updates regularly to update your device specific drivers. And besides, I highly recommend avoiding soft surfaces, so do not use your device on beds, couches or other soft surfaces that block vents and trap heat inside your device. And so these are all the tips I had for this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.